Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Today we are going to make a very beautiful wire Celtic knot earring. What we need: wire of 16 gauge for the main structure and also 24 gauge for the weaving parts, circle stencil template to draw better the shapes, hard hammer and its surface of course, our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Mine is the combination of these three, but you could use each of them separated. 3 pearls, beads, or stones as you desire. The size and color is needed. And also a cylindrical shape that I'm using, my ring mandrel. Pick up the circle template and your pen or pencil. Then draw a circle and choose one of these sizes as you desire. Then we need to pick up half of this circle, but diagonally, something like this. And I'm going to draw another circle that is smaller, just like this, on that half circle. And this would be the thickness. And I'm going to repeat doing that and drawing the bigger circle just at the starting point of the previous one and make another half circle just like this. And again, it's divided diagonally, and again the smaller circle, and we are going to make these two half circles connected with another one, and again the smaller circle as to show the thickness, and altogether we have 3 half circles. And we are going to choose a point on our ring mandrel or cylindrical shape that suits the size of these circles. And here, this is the place that we are going to add pearl or stone or beads. We start by 16 gauge wire, and first we straighten the wire with plastic hammer or just with chain nose pliers, and then wrap it all around the ring mandrel or the cylindrical shape at the point that you had determined as suits the size of your half circle, and then wrap it all around it half round just like this. And at the ending point, make a bend with your chain nose pliers just like this. And I'm going to make another half round at that point, but first I'm going to hammer the first half circle. So I would put it on a hard surface, and with the hard hammer and metal hammer I'm going to hammer in it. Just pay attention to the way that I move my hand and the hammer on the circular surface. This is the way I hammered that and the first semicircle. And again, I'm going to make another half round with the ring mandrel. So again, I would insert it, and at the same place I would wrap the wire. This is the starting point, and I would wrap the wire half round all around the ring mandrel to achieve another half circle. And I'm going to squeeze it just like this so that I would have the intersection between these two half circles at the middle of those shapes, just like this. And again, I'm going to make another half circle, but before I am hammering the previous one. So just like this, I would flatten that second circle. This is till now, and I'm going to make another half round to attach these two parts together. So again, I would insert the ring mandrel, and this would be the starting point for the third shape, and wrap it all around it, half round. I would keep it tight, and that's it. Just at the starting point of that last half circle, I would make a bend with my chain nose pliers and squeeze it a little, just like this, and we have a Celtic knot, a wire run, and I would hammer the last shape. This is the main structure that is all hammered, and I'm going to make a bend at the end, just at this point, with my chain nose pliers, a 90-degree bend. And here, with round nose pliers, I would make a negative bend, just like this, to make a circle and a loop, of course, at this point, by wrapping the wire all around my round nose pliers. Here, I would insert round nose pliers in and wrap the wire tail all around to have a good joint at this part. I would continue that for 3 times and then cut the wire out with wire cutter or flush cutter. And you know that when you cut the wire, you have a sharp edge that you should push it and squeeze it so that there wouldn't be any. Just like this. And this is the time I'm going to add up some spices, the pearl or beads or stones that you desire, and I'm going to use those pearls. Pick up your thinner wire and insert it into the pearl or stone or bead, and then place it at the empty space. Then with your round nose pliers, keep it and rotate it and wrap it all around the main structure. And rotate it and squeeze it as well to be attached tight all around the main structure and to have a beautiful little wire coiling part at this space. To squeeze every round, you may need your chain nose pliers to squeeze it well. I would continue that for 3 or 4 times. By the way, this is the wire ring that we had the tutorial in previous video. Okay, I would cut the wire out at the other side and would make another wire coiling part here. This is the first pearl that is attached to the first empty space, and I would repeat that for the other 2. And that would be the result till now. This could be as a pendant or an earring. If you use it as an earring, don't forget to add the hook. So I would attach the wire hook at the top of this wire earring and squeeze it, of course. That would be the very beautiful wire Celtic knot. And I hope you had enjoy it so much.